Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple animated video player using CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create a new project. So I'm going to click on new project and I'm going to go to the CapCut library and search for white background. Okay, I'm going to choose photo here and I'm going to add this white background to my project. Okay, now it's time to add our image here. We can go to the overlay and select add overlay, and I'm going to add one of the images from my album. Okay, for example, I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to add it to my project like this, and then I'm going to add text, animated text to this video flyer. But wait, I'm going to zoom in the photo like this, and we can adjust the position. And after that, we're going to add text. We can click on the text menu, select add text, and then I'm going to add, for example, healthy food. Okay, but I'm going to change the color to black. Okay, wait, I'm going to choose black. I'm going to place it here, and I'm going to change the font to make it more captivating. Okay, like this guys, you can choose the font that you like. Let's try this one as well. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one. All right, and then we're going to add animation to this text. Okay, we can go to the animation and let me choose animation for this text. For the animation, I'm going to choose, I'm gonna choose the free animation. Okay, I'm going to choose, let's try this one. Okay, I think this one is good. And for the out animation, I'm just going to apply the same animation. Wait guys, I'm still looking for the animation. Okay, and let's play it. All right, actually for the animation you can choose the animation that you like, but for me I prefer this one. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a simple animated video flyer using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.